Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete messages on an iPhone. Let's get started. Before we start, it's important to understand one thing. You cannot delete the Message app itself from an iPhone. The Message app is built into the iPhone by Apple. You can delete text, message, and conversation inside the app. Now let's see how to do it. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Message app on your phone. Now open the conversation where the message is. Tap and hold the message you want to delete. A small menu will appear from the menu. Tap More. Select the message and tap trash icon. Tap delete message to confirm the message is now deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to delete message on iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.